Donald Trump's company executives once boosted the estimated value his Trump Tower penthouse by $20 million, in part because of the value his fame. According to trial testimony on Thursday from witness stand, former Trump Organization controller Jeffrey McConney shed light Thursday on the calculations at heart of Trump's New York civil business trial. The lawsuit by New York Attorney General Letitia James alleges that the former president conspired with top executives and deceived creditors and others to exaggerate his wealth. In pretrial testimony, former president said people doing business with him were given ample warning not to trust the statements and that he never thought documents would be taken too seriously. He described the financial statements as a compilation of properties rather than a true representation of their value and said some figures were estimates. But McConney's testimony came with evidence that the documents were an integral part of some of Trump's loan deals. In letters filed in court, McConney said he provided a bank with Trump's 2015 and 2016 financial statements under the terms of a loan for his property in Seven Springs, north of New York City. What about the $100 million increase in 2012? The following year, McConney received another $20 million, bringing the estimated value of Trump's penthouse to $200 million. McConney also acknowledged that Trump made his own calculations rather than relying on bank valuation figures to increase the stated value of the Wall Street office building by $227 million. These and other asset valuations went into Trump's financial statements, which in turn went to banks, insurers and others. James calls this persistent and repeated. Trump says Democrat James is just trying to hurt his 2024 presidential campaign. He leads the Republican field. Trump did not attend the hearing Thursday after opting to be present for the previous 3 days and take advantage of news cameras waiting outside. Judge Arthur Engoron said, "I think every high school student knows the right way." McConney, who worked for the Trump Organization from 1987 until February, also testified in the company's criminal tax case last year. The former controller, who won immunity from prosecution, admitted breaking the law to help other executives avoid taxes on privileges paid by the company, including filing false tax returns. The company was doomed. Trump himself was not charged in this case. McConney's appearance Thursday followed days of testimony from 2 accountants who worked on the financial statements. James' legal team sought to show that Trump and his company had full control over preparation of the returns, with outside accountants relying on information from company. The defense tried to show that if there were problems, they were the fault of accountant Donald Bender. Bender, who has been preparing the statements for years, said on Thursday that he asked for all the necessary documents from Trump or